Hakasinjam kabakong san ban pensuk ya karukam ay jingbit bante ying ka sorkar Meghalaya kalapalaj ban shna ya ki ying ki duna ka jingma do risk na ka jing ay jing mynjur ne technical permission na Meghalaya Urban Development Authority MUDA. Ya kani ka jing penbenada umentri rangba ka jala Konrad ki sangma haka nyotrik nailar hadin ka jingalang jong ka kinhun mentri. La ong banadu ka khatway trik nailar ki pajba ki la ban apply ki jingbit ban te ying online ka ba punkut no ya ka jingdon kam ban let mi dala de sha office ka kinhun mentri kala manjur ya ka jimpen kala ka ba ar ne ka second amendment jong ka Meghalaya building bylaws ar jar arpasan ka ba thmu ban penbet ya ka rukam a jingbit ban shna ying ne e building permission ban pensuk ya upajba Nila sedang pentrekam menta da ka online building permission system na du khatway trik nailar kinong apply kila ban apply online bat kimdan kam shu ban let hi dara de sha office ong ukonran habayekren bat kinong tho khubor ka technical permission bat ka jing a jing manjur kam don kam shu na ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority ya ki jingtai ki bamda don jingma kunthop e ki yeng briu ki dukan bat ki karkhana ki bahapo ar jar sanspa hadolai jar square phun lani ka yeng ba shimala G+1 bat ka jingjrong kalong nyomitar u mentri rangba uloong ki architect bat ki engineer ki bala itho ne empaneled la ai bor haki bakin ai ki jingbet ya ki jingtei ki bamdan jingma ki nong apply ki la ban penya shakmat ya ka kamshna yeng wala kimpat yo ya ka jingbet hapo kalai posngi na kabenta ki jingtei ki bakham he G+2 bat hadu nyawajar sanspa square phun dan kam ban bishar lingba ki agencies ki banyarap na kabenta ban yo ek jingbin.
The amendments to the bylaws have been made where we have now again in the process of trying to streamline the entire ease of doing business. We are now number one, adopting the online building permission system. So with this, from August 11th, people applying for permission for buildings to be constructed, they can apply online. So they don't have to physically apply it. That's number one. Number two, we have also proposed to make it easy for people to get permissions. For example, for low risk buildings and mainly low risk buildings, which is residential, commercial and industrial, up to 2,500 square feet or a built up area of up to 3,000 square feet with only G+1 and a 7-meter maximum building height. The technical permissions and the technical approvals will not be required from MUDA anymore. So if you are a building of a low risk building, there will be empaneled architects who can empanel themselves onto the website. Once they empanel, as an individual who would like to construct a building and a house in the low risk building, residential, commercial, industrial area, as per specifications I have mentioned, they will simply have to self-attest and get it approved by these engineers and architects who are empaneled by the government. They'll submit it online. They can start their construction even without the permission being given. And in 30 days' time, the permission will be granted to these individuals to start their construction. At the same time, larger buildings, which will be there, which is G+2 and up to a maximum built-up area of 750 square feet, we will have empaneled architects and a council of architects and companies and engineering firms, which will be empaneled and registered by us, who will be then what we call third-party verification agencies. And they will be kind of engaged by the department. And these individuals who are applying for permission, they will simply take the help of these architects and engineers, and they'll be able to get the permissions so that they can start the construction of their building. So therefore, we are working in order to make it easy for now people to get building permissions. And these amendments were today cleared in the cabinet.